Now we'll do the last sum of practice set 1.3. So in the figure triangle ABC, point D is on side BC. In triangle ABC, point D is on side BC. D is here. Such that BAC is equal to ADC. Okay, this top angle is equal to this angle here. So we are going to take the triangle separately. One is this ABC and the other one is ADC. So these two triangles are taken separately. And we'll first find the one-to-one correspondence. Which angles are congruent? That means they are one-to-one. So first one, what is congruent? A. Angle A is congruent to which angle? Angle D. Right? It's given here, angle A and angle D. So middle word is the angle. So angle A is one-to-one correspondence with D. Then next one is C. C is a common angle. If you see the triangle ABC, okay, C is the triangle. The three triangles are A, B and C. C is there. And in triangle ADC also C is there. ADC also, here we have C. So angle C is congruent to angle C. Why? Because common angle. So C is one-to-one correspondence. Now which alphabet is left? Which alphabets are gone? A, D, C, C. And what is left now? B and A, right? B and A is left. The third one-to-one correspondence will be B is to A. Now we will name the angle looking at this one-to-one correspondence, that is ACB one side, triangle ACB, and the second triangle is DCA, triangle DCA. Okay, now these two triangles are similar. By which test? They are similar by which test? Two angles are congruent, that is angle A is congruent to angle D and angle C is congruent to angle C by common angle, and this one is given. Therefore, these two triangles are triangle ACB is similar to triangle DCA by which test? By AAA test of similarity. Now, which are the corresponding sides? ACB and DCA. Okay. Now we have, first we are taking CA. And next is CD or CA. And what is remaining here? CD. Right? Now what we have to do? We have to, when you cross multiply. Okay. So when we cross multiply CA into CA we are writing CA into CA, and the other side we are multiplying CB into CD. So what do we get? CA into CA will be CA squared, and CB into CB into CD will remain the same. CB into CD. Okay, so we have proved what was required in the question. CA squared is equal to CB into CD. Okay, so let's understand it nicely once again. In triangle ABC, point D is on side BC. Angle BAC is congruent to angle ADC. So what we have done, we have taken these two triangles separately. ABC and ADC we have taken separately. Now we will write the one-to-one correspondence. A is congruent to D. Why? It's given here. Angle BAC is congruent to ADC. So it's given they are congruent angles. C is congruent to C because it's a common angle in both the triangles. And then Now from A is gone, A with D, C with C. So what is the remaining angle? B with A. So B with A is the remaining angle. Now we'll name it as it is. We can name it as BAC. Okay. And ADC, we can write it like that. Or you can write ACB and DCA. Then these two triangles, triangle BAC and triangle ADC. Which angle is congruent? BAC is congruent to angle ADC is given, and ACB is congruent to DCA, common angle. Therefore, triangle BAC is similar to triangle ADC. Okay. Now, we can take it as triangle ACB and DCA also, or we can take it as BAC and ADC. Whichever, it means the same only. But since I have taken in the previous, while explaining, I have taken ACB and DCA. I'll take it here again, ACB and DCA. So, what is the first one? We're taking CA. Okay, CA. This one. And CD. Then we have, the first part is over. Then we take second part, CB. And then CB, and second part of this is CA. So, we have got CB is to CA. Then when we cross multiply, we are getting, so we are cross multiplying here, we are getting CA squared is equal to CB into CD. So, this is, we have proved. So, with this we come to the end of the practice set 1.3. Thank you, dear children, and God bless you always.